Right now, investors are both rich and terrified. That's not normal. Stocks are near all-time highs. Volatility refuses to die. And everyone keeps whispering the same question. What the hell is happening to 2026? This isn't new. It's a sequel. In the early 1970s, Wall Street fell in love with something called the Nifty 50, big dominant companies. Too good to ever fail? Sound familiar? Back then, investors paid 40 to 50 times earnings for safety. They said valuation didn't matter anymore. Then inflation hit, rates exploded, and those can't-miss stocks lost 60 to 80% over the next decade. The lesson wasn't that the companies were bad, it was that price still mattered. Here's where it gets spicy. The top 7 stocks now make up approximately 36% of the S&P 500. That's the most concentration since 1972. Some of these stocks trade at 35 to 45 times forward earnings. The market's long-term average, about 16 times. Meanwhile, US government debt just blew past $34 trillion. Interest payments alone are over $1 trillion per year. And central banks, they bought over 1,000 tons of gold in a single year. That's not a vibes or immaculate signal. That's a just-in-case signal. 5 o'clock, the present day, the Magnificent Seven moment. This is where everyone gets confused because nothing is crashing. Earnings are real. AI is real. Cash flows are real. But expectations, they're perfect. And perfect expectations are fragile. It's like dating someone who seems flawless. Eventually, reality shows up wearing sweatpants. The risk isn't 2024 or even 2025. The risk is what happens when growth slows, but prices still assume perfection in 2026. That's how markets don't crash loudly. They just stop working. And takeaway, gray area truth. This isn't the end of the world, and it's not the start of a golden age either. History says this is a thinking market, not a gambling one. A market where diversification matters, where risk management beats predictions, and where blind optimism is more dangerous than fear. Nobody knows exactly what 2026 looks like, but history is whispering something important. When everyone agrees on the future usually disagrees back. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and don't confuse a great story with a great price.